Technique 1. Ghost reverb.
I don't wanna know.
We need a reverb tail on this first word that goes in the opposite direction. I'm quickly gonna duplicate the track and get this first part. I also have to convert it to a real copy because my settings are set to always make shared copies. Reverse it. Insert a reverb with quite a long tail. Then render this with the effect, so also add a tail. Reverse this now. Cut it right where the word is gonna start. And line it up with the vocal.
I don't.
Technique 2. 808 slides. Get a sampler track with an 808. Set the root key to the key of the 808 so you can play the correct notes. Make it monophonic, so just one note's gonna play at a time. And make it legato, so if you play overlapping notes, the sample is not getting re-triggered. Then increase the glide time. You can adjust this to taste. And then in the piano roll, make 2 notes overlap to get the glide effect. This is before. Put a glide note here. For a drill beat, you can make it move a little more. Technique 3. Future bass wobbles, or just wobbles in general. Create a synth melody that's pretty rich. In the lower zone, go to modulators and choose shaper. Pick a shape. You can still reshape this later on. And now this shape is going to control the cutoff frequency of the filter of the synth. So add and just click the cutoff dial. And optionally, it's going to control the master volume of the synth as well. Make sure you set the polarity to unipolar. That makes it easy to set the start position of the filter like this. And then use this depth control to set the range. Same for this one, and I'll choose a quarter note. If you like how it sounds, you can automate this note value. Just activate the right mode, hit play, and click this control, so it creates an automation lane. Turn the right mode back off, and now just draw the values. Technique 4. Vocal chops. There are many types of vocal chops. Right now we're gonna make these. This is the original vocal.
I know that in time I'll carry on, I'll carry on. I know that in.
Drag it into a sampler track. You can really do anything here, but I sliced it in grid mode and set it to quarter note. And then you can play it like a synth and find something that works. I added a tiny fade in and fade out. Pitched it up from this to this. Added a little filtering. And I tweaked the amp envelope for a slower attack. And then I just picked a random preset in the vocal chain plugin, increased the delay a little bit. And that's it. Technique 5. Reversed melodies. Let's take this piano. Render it, then cut it every time the chord changes. Select all, so shift double click the first one, and reverse. I like to adjust the fades. And now it sounds more interesting, and it might even spark a new idea. So I hope that helped. If it did, please like the video, subscribe, and have fun making music.